Hey everyone, welcome back to another video, and in today's video we have this Dodge Durango and we're going to do the headlight tint installation for this vehicle. So as you can see, this is how the headlight looks before doing the installation, and this is how it looks after the installation. So the tint has PPA properties, which means it'll protect the lens from yellowing over time, as well as protect it from any small scratches or any road debris that may hit the lens. Link for the product will be provided below, but with that being said, let's start with the installation video. These are the tools you need for the installation. Okay, so before we start with the installation, we need to make sure we prep the headlight lens. So for our first solution, it is our slip solution, and that contains baby shampoo mixed with distilled water. So make sure when you apply this, clean the lens and the surrounding area just in case the film does touch, let's say, the paint of the vehicle. Flip it around to a clean side. And for our second solution, which is our tack solution, we're going to spray it onto our microfiber towel, and that solution contains isopropyl alcohol mixed with distilled water. And the tack solution will help remove any hard contaminants like any wax, oils, or any coating that the headlight may have. That way we're able to install the tint to the headlight lens. So now that we finished prepping the lens, now we can start with the installation. So with this one, just apply slip solution to the lens and to the adhesive side of the film. And we want to start by aligning the tint to this front edge here of the headlight. So have it aligned right on the edge. So right there should be good. Grab your tack solution and spray it underneath the film. That way the adhesive starts to activate, and spray it on top. Make sure to keep everything aligned on this edge right here. You will go ahead, just hold it in place, and with your squeegee, start tagging it down. Make sure to remove all of the solution that's underneath the film, and make sure it stays tacked down and it doesn't move as you're doing the installation. So let's say it's taking a minute to dry up. You would grab your hairdryer or your heat gun and apply heat only on this section of the headlight. And this will help the adhesive on the film activate faster. Make sure it stays secured. If you need to continue tacking it down, you can. We just need to make sure that the film is actually secured. Okay, so now that we secured this section here, like I mentioned, we just need to stretch the film to reach it up to the edge right on this section here. So the film is drying up. Just apply a little bit of slip solution, but if you feel that you still can move the film, you should be fine. So just stretch the film up to the edge right here. And what this does, it also helps remove any fingers that we had in the middle section. So stretch it to the edge here and make sure the top is aligned as well. So now, to help the adhesive activate faster, carefully lift the film and apply tack solution underneath the film. And on top, grab your squeegee and start tagging down the film. Make sure to remove all the solution that's underneath the film and secure it on this edge here. We want to secure the edge, that way the film doesn't want to go back to its original form. And right here for this section of the fingers, we'll just need to break them down slowly. This section will just sit on top, and we would just have to break the fingers down slowly with a little bit of heat. So make sure you're holding the film. And as you're holding the film, we're going to apply tack solution, hold it, and a little bit of heat. That way we're able to start shrinking the film. Make sure you're still holding it. Apply tack solution, and then with your squeegee at an angle like that. That way we're able to tack down the film. So work your way towards the bottom. Same process here for the bottom fingers. So apply heat on the bottom fingers too. Spray tack solution, grab your squeegee, and just start tagging it down. You just need to take your time breaking down the fingers, securing everything. Another trick you can do just to help make these fingers tack down to the edge of the tint is to apply tack solution where we see the fingers. Wrap your microfiber towel around your squeegee. Apply heat where you see the fingers. And once you finish applying heat with your squeegee, just tack it down like this and then hold it for a couple seconds where the fingers are located. That way they start tacking down. And then before we finish with the install, make sure to seal the top edge here. That way the film doesn't lift over time. So if you see, if you pass your squeegee, it's still lifting. So we need to seal the top as well. So once you finish with the entire installation for the headlight tint, the last thing to do is to pulse seat the entire film. So apply tack solution all over the tint, especially around the edges. And we're going to use a heat gun. You can also use air hair dryer. You can use the low or the high setting. Just keep in mind, if you use the highest setting on the heat gun, just make sure not to stay focused on one area for too long, and make sure just apply the heat evenly as you go. And we're going to use our microfiber towel just to help tack down the film and remove any solution that's around the edges. So take your time doing this step, and then once you're done post heating, you're done with the installation. So that concludes the installation video for the headlight tints for the Dodge Durango. We hope that the video helped you guys out with the installation. Don't forget to drop a like on the video, make sure you subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. That way you don't miss any of our upcoming installation videos. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one.